First thing we need to do is distribute the exponent. So we would have 2 to the 6th, which is 64, I to the 6th. So we need to simplify I to the 6th. So we proved in class that there's a pattern for every 4. There's a pattern with the i's. So since there's a pattern for every 4, we're going to take 6 and divide by 4. 4 goes into 6 once with 2 left over. That means I to the 6th has the same value as I squared. So if we simplify, I squared is negative 1. So instead of I to the 6th, we're going to replace it with negative 1. So we have 64 times negative 1, which is negative 64. Okay, this one is I to the 35th. So there's a pattern for every 4, so we're going to divide by 4. 4 goes into 35 8 times with 3 left over. So that means I to the 35th power has the same value as I to the 3rd power. So we need to figure out what I to the 3rd power equals. It equals I squared times I, because if we add the exponents here, it would give us the 3. So since we know that I squared is negative 1, we have negative 1 times just an I is negative I. Alright, I to the 12th. So since there's a pattern for every 4, we're going to take 12, divide by 4, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So since it goes into 12 exactly 3 times, there's a remainder of 0. That means I to the 12th power has the same value as I to the 0 power. And we know, we've proved in this class, that anything to the 0 power equals 1. So that means I to the 12th equals 1.